This is not the Sunnah of Allah. Allah Ta'ala wants that we make an effort. South Africa. He said, oh, wish South Africa wins because of that jealousy that, we have for Indian cricket team. Not India. Indian cricket team. They're different, right? Are we not complaining all the time? When it's summer, it's hot. When it's winter, it's cold. If we continue to complain, we will continue to lose out. Oh my God, my boss. Alhamdulillah, everything is fine. Shukr from the core of the heart. See what will happen next. Because there are places where there is anarchy. And believe me, anarchy, oh my God, if there is anarchy, if there is civil war, A'udhu Billah. May Allah protect us from that state. Nobody will have any right whatsoever. All what you see is problems. All what we see are problems. Is problems, isn't it? This is lack of shukr. And believe me, whoever is ungrateful, he will continue to lose blessings. He will continue to lose blessings. Why? Because of the principle that Allah Ta'ala has set. وَإِذْ تَأَذَّنَ رَبُّكُمْ لَإِنْ شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَإِنْ كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ. That's a principle. Allah Ta'ala says, recall the time when your Lord declared, when your Rabb declared that if you express gratefulness, I will give you more. لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. I'll certainly give you more. لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. The people who have learned Arabic, they know this, what this noon saqila means. I will certainly increase you. وَلَئِنْ كَفَرْتُمْ. And if you are ungrateful, Inna adhabi la shadid, then my punishment is severe. In other words, I'll take your blessings back. You don't deserve it. That's the principle. That's the sunnah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَبْدِيلًا وَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَحْوِيلًا. Allah Ta'ala's sunnah never changes. لَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَبْدِيلًا. Never, ever. Allah Ta'ala is working in a specific way. If we think that we will not do anything and things will happen, we'll only continue to make dua and things will work out. No, my friends, no. This is not the sunnah of Allah. Allah Ta'ala wants that we make an effort and then have tawakkul and make dua. Then trust Allah and then things will happen. Some of our friends who are from Pakistan were cricket fans. They were very sad. There was a World Cup that happened and Pakistan, they got out of the first stage. And Pakistan-India rivalry in cricket. India won the World Cup. So how come that happened? We've been making duas. So, come on. One of my very close relatives, when India reached the finals, he said, I wish, kiske saath hua tha final? South Africa. He said, oh, wish South Africa wins because of that jealousy that, we have for Indian cricket team. Not India. Indian cricket team. They're different, right? If we lost, how come do they win? And then they won. He said, why not? Why not? Why should they not win? They have been making an effort. There is a system in place. Right? They've been making an effort. They're doing the hard work. And they also believe in God. They are the ibadullah as well. They're also the servants of God. Right? They have been making dua to Allah Ta'ala as well. At the end of the day, innama ilahukum ilahu wahid. Your Lord is one Lord. So why not? If you think that only duas will win you a World Cup, good luck. If there is no system in place, if there is nothing happening, then you don't do the right things, you don't have, then good luck. You'll never win it, please. I can tell you that. This is not the sunnah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sunnah of Allah Ta'ala is that you do the right things, then have tawakkul, then make an effort, then make dua, and then you will get what you ask for. This is the principle of Allah Ta'ala, la in shakartum la azidannakum wa la in kafartum inna adhabi la shadid. Keep on complaining and good luck. You will never get whatever you are asking for, whatever you are thinking about. This is the sunnah of Allah. وَلَن تَجِدَ لِسُنَّةِ اللَّهِ تَبْدِيلًا. Allah Ta'ala's sunnah never changes. Never. Are we not complaining all the time? When it's summer, it's hot. When it's winter, it's cold. When it's, right? You name it, right? This issue, that issue. I mean, I'm from Pakistan. You go to Pakistan, everybody's complaining all the time. You hardly hear any good thing from the mouths, from the tongues of people. And look at the situation. It has continued to become worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. And if we think, my dear Pakistani friends, if we think that this is because of somebody else, no, it is because of me and you. Please try to understand what I'm saying. It is because of me and you. If we continue to complain, the sunnah of Allah Ta'ala will continue to lose out. This is the sunnah of Allah. Am I able to make you guys understand or not? Samajh mein aa rahi hai ki nahi? Because this is my life. If we continue to complain, we will continue to lose out. Oh my God, my boss, he is this, he is that, he is this, always complaining. Good luck if you get a good boss in your life. Seriously. Good luck. I don't think that you will ever get a good boss in your life. That if you're trying to find positives and do shukr on the positives, then see what will happen. If I work until 7 at night, oh my God, then the next job will be until 8 at night. But we say, Alhamdulillah, at least I get back by 7. Alhamdulillah, I have a job. Alhamdulillah, I get a very good salary. Alhamdulillah, everything is fine. Shukr from the core of the heart, see what will happen next. You'll get a better job, a better salary, more barakat in your provision, more barakat in your money, a better environment at work. Experience that. This is Quran. I'm telling you an usul from the Quran. Try it. In Pakistan, as I said, go back to Pakistan. Government is this, government is that. Thank God there is government. Thank God there is government. Because there are places where there is anarchy. And believe me, anarchy, oh my God, if there is anarchy, if there is civil war, A'udhu Billah. May Allah protect us from that state. Nobody will have any right whatsoever. But people are always complaining. It's very hot, it's very cold, oh my God, oh this, oh that, oh this, oh that. Don't we have any positives, seriously, to look at? Innal insana li rabbihi lakanud. Allah Ta'ala says that insan is kanud to his Rabb. You know what is kanud? That, I've told you this before, people who have been hearing me for a long time, but somebody I understood it from an incident that happened. I was in a training when I was working for corporate sector. I was in a management training, a 5-day workshop. And the first day, the trainer, there was a big, huge flip chart, a white paper. And what he did was that he took a marker, a black marker, and he put a dot. And then he asked everybody, he said, what can you see on this? What can you see in front? He asked me, what do you see? I said, a black dot. What do you see? A black dot. What do you see? A black dot. What do you see? A black dot. Everybody said a black dot. He said, really? Can't you see all of this white? All what you see is one black dot? Seriously? And he was so right. This is qanoot. All what you see is problems. All what you see is problems. All what we see are problems, isn't it? Ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya. This happened, that happened. This happened, that happened. Right? And subhanAllah, nobody sees anything good. Even if people have nothing, as long as they're eating and they're surviving, they're not dying of hunger. And they can survive. SubhanAllah, there's so much to be thankful about.